Hey, have you ever had testing notes that could be useless? Not because you didn't write enough, but because a week from now when someone asks you, how did you test that new feature from a few weeks ago? You'll start a note that says, tested login, found issue, needs follow-up. Follow-up on what? You don't remember. I created a structure I call Mario. It has 5 fields, 1 short sentence each. Let's begin with the first one, motivation. Why am I running this test? What risk am I probing? Action, the specific step. A command, an input, a click, keep it concrete. Result, how the system responded. What error message was received? Was there a state change? Just whatever happened. The impact, does this matter? Is it isolated or does it ripple? Observation is anything that feels off, patterns, anomalies observed, things I can't explain yet, or things that are okay. That's it. Motivation, action, result, impact, observation. Let me show you what this looks like. So here's an example. I'm testing an account expiry or a login. Here's my Mario note. Motivation, verify that the system blocks its expired credentials. The action, log in with username, expired user, and enter the password. The result, account expired with the error code. The login has been blocked. Impact, confirms enforcement of account expiry security controls. Observation, error text is low contrast, might fail accessibility, so flag this for the UI team. Everything I need to reconstruct what happened and why. So when you're writing out your note, you don't have to specify the actual words, motivation, action, result, impact, observation. Just write the sentences out. The problem with most testing notes, you have results with no intent. You know what happened, but not what you were looking for. So Mario fixes that by capturing why before what. So a week later, you're not guessing at your own thinking. The structure did the remembering for you. So if you want something even simpler, use arrow. Action, result, observation. 3 fields, that's it. Still works. Start there if 5 feels like too much. So the next time you finish a test session and can't remember what you found, you'll wish you had this. Try it once, see if your notes survive the week.